Okay, so this is one photo. Just one. No video, no reference, nothing else. And from this single photo, I made 5 completely different product ads. Different styles, different vibes, some have voiceovers, one even has an actor in it. No filming, no editing, no camera. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do the same thing with your own product. So, the tool I used is called Zawa. Zawa is basically an AI agent built for branding and marketing content. It does a bunch of things. Logos, posters, social posts, but the part I care about today is the video generator. Specifically, a feature that turns a single product photo into a publish-ready video. Okay, so let me actually show you the dashboard real quick. This is what you land on. Pretty clean. And then below that, you've got tools. Product video generator, video remix, social media posts, image remix, video enhancer, a bunch of stuff. We want this one, product video generator. Let's click in. Alright, so it's asking me to upload materials first. Let me grab my product photo here. This is DS Aura. It's a perfume bottle I'm using for the demo. Clean background, good lighting, nothing fancy, just a straightforward product shot. And honestly, this matters more than people think. The cleaner your photo, the easier time the AI has actually understanding what it's looking at. If your photo's blurry or busy, you're going to get a worse output, so don't skip that. Okay, it's uploaded. Now I scroll down and it's asking for target market and language. I'll click this drop down. And look, you've got a bunch of countries to pick from. I'm going with North America for this one. And language, I'll keep that on English. Right under that is your format. So this is your aspect ratio basically. Instagram Reels, TikTok, that 9:16 vertical stuff, or you can do landscape. Since this is going on YouTube, I'm picking the horizontal 16:9 option. Now here's the part people probably rush through, and you shouldn't, the video description box. So if I click this little tips icon, it actually tells you what to include. Product name, key benefits, how to use it, target audience, where it's used. There's also this AI writing button right next to it if you don't want to write your own. It'll just generate something for you. I already had mine written, so I'm pasting it in here. Something like, what I'm selling, who it's for, how they'd use it. Just a few sentences, doesn't need to be long. Okay, and now we scroll down to the part that actually changes everything. Video types. And I want you to pay attention here because this isn't just a style filter. Each one of these is basically its own content formula. Same photo, same description even, completely different video depending on which one I pick. Let me show you what I mean. First one I'm trying, AI commercial. I click that and then hit generate up here. And now it's processing. This usually takes a minute or two. I'll speed this part up so we're not sitting here watching a loading bar. Okay, it's done. Let's watch this. Look at this. Watch how it opens. Clean product display, just the bottle sitting there looking premium. Then it does this spray motion right here, and now it's cutting to this closing shot with text on it. That's it. That's the whole ad. This looks like something an agency would charge a few $1,000s for, and it came from one photo and like 2 sentences. Next ad I am going to create is the product showcase. Same exact photo, I'm just going to scroll back up here and switch the video type to product showcase instead. Hit generate again.
Looking for a signature scent? Bold, warm. One spray, hours of presence. Set the trend, DS Aura.
Okay, so this one's a different animal already. It added a voiceover this time, and it's spending more time on the bottle itself, walking around it, closer angles. Same starting photo as the last one, completely different result. That's what I mean about the video type actually mattering. Alright, this next one is the one that actually got me. I switched to UGC-style this time, adjusted my description a little to sound more like a personal recommendation, and hit generate. Okay, wait, watch this.
I've been wearing this every day for 2 weeks and people keep stopping me to ask what it is. It's the DS Aura perfume. It's not overpowering at all, but literally lasts the whole day. Just 2 sprays in the morning and I'm set for work, dinner, anywhere. If you want a signature scent without spending hundreds, you need this.
It opens with a voiceover, and then there's an actual actor on screen now, talking, explaining why you'd want this. Listen to the delivery on this. If you hadn't told me this was AI, I would have fully believed this was a real creator talking about a real product she actually uses. That's not normal for this kind of tool. Most AI video stuff still looks a little off, a little uncanny. This doesn't. Fourth one, this is shoppable microdrama, and Zawa specifically flags this style for creators to try, so let's see why.
This scent, it's her. I finally found you.
Okay, so this is a 15-second video, and it actually tells a story. There's a little setup at the start, a small dramatic beat in the middle, and then watch this ending. The actor fades out right into this final product shot. That's a genuinely cinematic transition. I was not expecting an actual story arc to come out of one product photo, but here we are. Last one, problem and solution. Classic structure. You open with a pain point, then the product comes in as the fix. It opens with this.
Hate when your perfume fades before lunch? Meet DS Aura. A soft, elegant scent that actually stays with you all day. Your new daily signature.
Your perfume fades before lunch. That's the problem. And then it resolves it with the product as the solution. Simple format, but it's the kind of structure that actually performs well in real ad campaigns, not just something that looks nice. 5 completely different ads, 1 photo, maybe 10 minutes total, including me sitting here narrating. Okay, one more thing before I close this out, because I think this is honestly just as useful. I'm switching over to the video remix tool now. And what this does, you scroll through here, and if you see an ad you like, you don't need a link or anything. You just click remix this video right on it. And now it's asking me to upload my own product image, so I drop in the DS Aura product image. And it rebuilt that exact same structure, same pacing, same energy, but with my product in it instead. So if you're ever scrolling and see an ad and think, I want mine to look like that, this is literally how you do it, without ripping anyone's actual footage. So yeah, 1 photo, 5 ad styles, plus a remix feature that lets you recreate any video format you like. This isn't something that replaces every kind of content, but for testing product angles or putting something together fast, this is genuinely one of the better AI video tools I've used. If you want to try it yourself, new users get 1 free video generation, so that you try it for your own product. So it's worth testing before you commit to anything. Links in the description.